In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your recipe box. Now, first things first, the way to access the recipe box is to go into any one of your cookbooks on your account. From there, you can click recipe box in the top blue toolbar, and you'll find all of your recipes listed inside this recipe box. Now you'll find every single recipe you've put in any book on your account. So even if you have 12 books on your account, you'll actually find every single one of your recipes in the recipe box, no matter which book you're inside. So that also means that if you were to make a change, let's say you have 12 books, you have one book that's going to Katie, and Katie's grandma has the best biscuit recipe. So in Katie's book, you want to name it, Grandma's biscuit recipe, but in your book, you want to call it Mom's biscuit recipe. But you have to make those two separate recipe cards, because if you were to change that in one book, it's actually going to change in the other book, because these recipes are all coming from one source, and that's just your main hub, your main recipe box. So I hope that makes sense. If you have questions about that specifically, please email support@createmycookbook.com. We're always here to help you with that. Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to edit a recipe. The first thing you would do is just click on the title, and right here you can actually go in and type, that one doesn't actually have anything cool going on. Okay, here's some ingredients, so I could go in here and change my ingredients. I could add a note. I love making these on Halloween morning. That's my Halloween cookbook. I could actually add the yields. I could do all sorts of fun stuff in here and save my recipe. Now that's going to go ahead and change it on the recipe page in my cookbook. And of course, like I said, it's going to change it if my recipe is inside a bunch of different books on my account. It's going to change it in all of those. So the other thing that you can do in your recipe box is actually change your category, your recipe category, for multiple recipes at one time. So I could actually select all four, or even let's say I wanted to change my category from desserts to dessert. So I could go ahead and up here and I would click on desserts. I could select all of these, go to batch actions and say assign category and change it to dessert instead. And that would actually change. So now I have no desserts recipes, but if I click back and I go to dessert, now you see all those recipes are here. So that's how that works. You can also add recipes to your book the same way. You would click all of these and then go to batch actions, or you could just select a few. Even if you just wanted to select, a couple of these, like let's just do these two and say batch actions, add to cookbook. You could actually select your page from here, your layout, click next, create pages. And this would drop these directly into either, I didn't have a dessert category in here, so it made one for me and it added my recipes behind it. So that's how that works. All of your We Type It recipes also land directly into your recipe box. Now this does not put them in the cookbook. So once they've been exported from We Type It to the recipe box, it's up to you to go in, review that recipe, make any typo corrections. Those are all typed by humans, so we do make mistakes, but go in, make any corrections you'd like, and then you're going to take and drop that recipe from the recipe box to your cookbook. You can also do this just by clicking this little orange plus sign, choosing the recipe page layout, and then go to recipe, and you could type in the name of the recipe, click that design, and then ta-da, it's in your book. So that's how that works. You'll also find any recipes that have been contributed to your book here. So you can see where Christina contributed some recipes to my book. I can find them all right here. So that's how that works. If you have any questions, like I said, please email support@createmycookbook.com. We're always, always, always happy to help you. Thanks.